Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. Today we will presenting our ISAS project. The title is Security System on Linux Operating System. Okay, before we start presenting our ISAS project, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Fatsatama and there are two of my friends. Name is Muhammad Fauzan Muharram and Bedaya Disahat. So this is the content we will presenting. The first is Kodachi operating system. The second is advantage and disadvantage. The third is implementation on desktop. And the last is how the security works. We take reference from websites and YouTube. Okay. The first topic is Kodachi operating system. So what is Kodachi operating system? Kodachi Linux or Kodachi OS is a free operating system based on Debian Linux. Kodachi Linux is designed and built specifically to put security, anonymity, and privacy first for users. Compared to the Linux distribution, other Linux distribution such as Linux Tail and QBase, the system presented or offered by Linux Kodachi is superior because it has several tools and utilities that certainly support user need to secure data, privacy, and anonymity on the internet. Okay, this is the second topic, the advantage and disadvantage. It will be presenting by Benaya.
Okay, this is the advantage and disadvantage of Kodachi operating system. So the first one is quick start, because Linux is light and run on computers, even on old computers with low spec. Linux is one of the quickest start operating system compared to Windows or Mac. Second, it has many pre-installed programs. Kodachi is a free Debian-based operating system designed specifically for security, anonymity, and privacy. So, of course, it has a lot of various pre-installed programs. Third, not very demanding in terms of hardware, because Kodachi operating system is made with anti-forensic purposes, so this operating system is not too hardware dependent. You could say this can be run on anywhere. Next, the disadvantage. Kodachi Linux does not really have drawbacks, but one thing that can be a drawback is that this operating system is not recommended to be installed on your hardware, such as a hard disk, because it is contrary to the purpose of this operating system being designed and made for an anti-forensic operating system. So because it entirely anti-forensics, it leaves no trace of your activity on host system and can be traced back. It also has wipe RAM option in panic room panel to clear temporary memory.
Okay, this is the third topic, implementation on desktop. We use references on YouTube video. So it will be presenting by Muhammad Fauzan.
Okay, thank you Irfan. First step, open your browser and search Kodachi OS. Make sure you use link from digi77.com because digi77.com is official link for Linux Kodachi OS. Then download the Kodachi OS from one of two mirror. After that, go to rufus.ie and download the portable version. The first step is plug in an empty USB drive into your PC. When Rufus and Kodachi OS ISO download are finished, go to your download folder and run Rufus. Select the USB drive you plug in and click on the select button. Locate the ISO image named Kodachi with ISO at the end and click on open. After that, click start. This will create a bootable USB Live OS and installer of Kodachi Linux. After process complete, click on close button and it's time to install the Kodachi OS. Turn off your PC, then turn on again. and place the boot key on your keyboard and select the USB from the boot menu. Then choose Advanced File Save Option, enter. After that, go to direct install Kodachi and press enter. This is the process of Linux booting, so don't panic. And first step is select the language for the operating system, then click continue. After that, select the keyboard layout language for the operating system and click continue again. For this step, we suggest to leave as default and click on continue. On this step, select erase this, and this will erase or wipe or delete everything from that drive and install a fresh new operating system Kodachi. Then click install again. Please select your region and time zone, then click continue again. On this step, input a new username and password, then click continue again. The installation will take around 15 until 13 minutes of your time depending on your PC hardware. After installation complete, remove the USB drive from the PC and click on restart now. After restart, choose Kodachi and it will bring you into login. Enter default password. The password is r@t00 and it will bring to your desktop. Now you can use Linux Kodachi, experiment with it and explore with it.
Okay, this is the last topic, how the security works. So it will be presenting by Benayadi.
Okay, thank you, Irfan. So how the security works on Kodachi operating system. So basically, Kodachi provides full anonymity with the VPN, TOR networks, and even DNS encryption. When you start the operating system, it automatically changes your IP address and starts VPN and TOR network service. Although in some cases, it didn't turn on automatically. Then it forces all of your traffic to go through the VPN plus your network tunnel with DNS encryption. But you can also use your own VPN easily using built-in VPN clients. If it didn't connect automatically, here's the step. First, you need to use the default Kodachi Linux web browser, and then you enable the built-in VPN. And when you run Kodachi's on Linux browser, if you don't connect to the TOR network automatically, you can start TOR by clicking on the gray circle in the browser toolbar, scrolling down the service options and selecting TOR. The circle will turn green to indicate the TOR connection. It has dedicated panel for TOR service where you can change your exit node if you want. So from the first moment we connect to the internet, all connections are protected, achieving a high level of anonymity. All connections are sent through the VPN and from it to the TOR network, making it impossible to trace or identify.
Okay, that's all from our project, ISAS project presentation. So thank you for watching and listening. See you in our next presentation project. Thank you and goodbye.